Can AI help us grow more food with less water? A farming revolution. Discover how AI can revolutionize farming, allowing us to grow more food with less water. A crucial step towards sustainable agriculture. A deep dive into AI's role in agriculture, showcasing its ability to make farming more efficient and less resource-intensive amidst growing water scarcity. AI optimizes water use in agriculture through precision farming, utilizing smart irrigation systems to significantly reduce water wastage. Success stories from California demonstrate AI's potential in reducing water usage by up to 20% while boosting crop yields. Challenges such as high costs, technological infrastructure needs, and data privacy concerns hinder AI's widespread adoption in farming. The future of AI in agriculture looks promising with innovations like autonomous drones, AI-based pest management, and predictive analytics. International cooperation and the sharing of AI technology and resources are essential to fully harness AI's potential in sustainable farming worldwide.